Good afternoon, all of you. I hope you are better or fine. Okay. Now we are today going to. I am going to teach you a further exercise related to yesterday's topic. Okay. Now, first of all, what we have done yesterday. Let's go. We are check what we have done yesterday. Round the nearest tenth. Okay. Which topic we have done yesterday? Yesterday we have done the round the next round the nearest tenth. It means any number nearest to the tenth. We have a round on a digit or numbers. Okay. Now it's basis of this topic. That topic we are doing the further today. Exercise number first. Exercise number first B or okay, first B. So now let's start exercise number first B. Okay. So now question number 1 is here. Question number 1 is here for you. Filling the blanks with the tens. Filling the blanks with a tens. Okay, so that's why question number 1 is for you. Okay, 72 is between dash and dash. Okay, so now first blanks is what here for us. 72 is between dash and dash. We have a right here a tens. Okay, we have a right here a tens. So now let's check how to how many numbers will become on the number lines as like that. Okay, so which number before 72, 71 and before tens 70. Okay, and then we have remember of yesterday 3 points. Step 1, step 2 and step 3. Step 1 is we have to must be do these things 80. Then after what we have a second step find a halfway means a 75 and 75 and now our question is 72 is came before 75, 70 or 80 before a 75. So we are right here a 72. Okay, we are right here a 72. So now we are rounded this number. Okay, so answer is what here for us? 17 and 18. Okay, so now let's move on second FB. Second FB. Second FB is what? 59 is between okay, so now we are checking on number lines. Okay, so 59 before 6, then after before 15 and then after 60. And second step is find the halfway. It's 55 and 59 is which number, before number or after number of 55? After number of 55 and before number of 60. So now here, okay, so now here answer is what? Our 50 and 60. So now we can write as letter 15 and 60. Okay, then after further question number C. Question number C is what? 38 between okay, so now let's check on a number line which 38 before a 30 and a 40. Now we find the half of the midpoint. 35 38 is after 38 is before number or after number of 35 and this 40 number. So it's a after number of 35 and before number of 40. That's we are right as like that. Okay. So now our answer is here. We have only write the 10th place. Okay. It's our answer. So now we are right as like that on here. It is 0 and 40. Okay, I hope you are understood better. Now we are doing the further exercise number 2. Okay, exercise number 2 is like same but some different things. Okay, so now I am right here the exercise number 2 instructions. Exercise number 2 instructions here. Round to the nearest tens. Okay. Now we are right here. We are right or round to the nearest digit of tens. Okay. So now question number first is 55. Okay, so answer is what here? We are right. Okay, round to the nearest number. So we are check on the number lines. Okay, 50, 60. Okay, between number we have write a big between tens. Okay, then 55. So which number is the nearest number? Always we are as a rules of we are find the midpoint, and always we are take here the mid after a midpoint a large number. After midpoint large number, which tens is come here? 60. Okay, so that's why we are right here the 60. Okay, then second question. Second question is what? 79. So let's just check on a number lines. Now let's move on a second question. 79. So now let's just check on a number lines. Number lines. 17, 75 is a half pair, means a midpoint, and 80. So 79 is a before a 80. So nearest, which is a nearest number, 70 or 80? 79 is a nearest to 80. So our answer is here 80. Okay, you must be draw here the number lines. Okay, now further question number C. 19. So now let's check here the number lines. Okay, so number line is here 90 first of all, and 100. Okay, so in between which midpoint is here? 95. So 91 is come before a 95 or after a 95? Before a 95, and nearest to a 90. Okay, so that's why we are and this is nearest point. So that's why we are writing here a 91. Then after further question number B. Question number B is what? 35. So now we are let's we are check here the 35 on number lines. 30 and 40, and now here 35. 35 is here the which number? 35 is which number is here before a 30 or before a 40 or after a 30? So both answer is correct. After a 30 and before a 40, it's called a halfway. Okay, halfway, otherwise midpoint. So that's why 30 and 14. Okay, what are rules of a place value of a round the nearest number? So our rules and our step is what? 35. Okay, midpoint or a halfway 35 is always take the large number of a midpoint. So we take the here 35 of a large number after a large number. So which number? large tens. Okay, इससे बड़ा tens लेना है. 35 से बड़ा 40. Okay, but we are taking here tens. Okay, no need to take it here other digits because of what is the topic? Tens, 100 as like tens. Okay, now question number E. 17. So now let's see a check on a number lines. First of all 10, then 20. Okay, in between halfway is a 15. Okay, halfway is a 15. So that's why we are called a halfway is a 15 of this number. Okay, so 70 is come after a 15 here. So nearest which 10? A 10 or 20? 20. Okay, so that's why we are right here a 20. Now we are move on a F. Okay, F is a 62. So now let's see check on a number lines. 60, 16 and 17. So first of all we write the midpoint 65. 65 before 62 come. That's why 62 is the nearest to the 62 is the nearest to 60. So that's why we are right here the 60. Okay, now we are going the further. Question number G. Okay, 83. Okay, so now let's check 83 round to the nearest 10 or write the nearest number on a number line. Okay, so now 80 and 90 and halfway midpoint. Which midpoint? 85. 80, 85 or 90. 80, 85 or 90. Okay, so now 83 is come between 80 or 85. That's why it's a check. We check the nearest number. 85. It's not a tens of a last digit. It's a tens but not of the last. Okay, and it's a 18. 18 is the nearest to the 83. That's why we are write 83. Okay, now H 44. So that's we are check let's check on a number lines. Students, you must draw the number lines on your fact book. 45. You must be draw the number lines with the uses of the scale, and you must be drawing your fair. Okay. So 40 and 50 in between 45 and further 44. So answer is what here? Which tens is nearest to the 44, 50 or 40? Obviously here is a short distance, means a short distance. XY we are writing here, which is it? Which tens 40. Okay, now last question I hope you are understood betterly or enjoying our maths first chapter place way. And last question number I, 26 nearest number of the tens. Okay. So which number we are writing? 20 or 30. Okay, in between a 25. So let's now we check the 20 or 25 or 30. So 26 after 26. Where is around 25 after 26? That's why nearest number is a 30. So we are right 30. Okay, we have one more two question in exercise number first D. Okay, I hope you have understood all students. So now we move on to question number 3 and question number 4. Okay. Same question, but we have a different method. Question number 3. Round the nearest tens. It means we have a draw a line, number lines, and then we are round the nearest tens. Okay, on a number lines. The question number first is what? 65. So now let's do a check on number lines. 60, 70, in between which number? 65. Okay, so round the nearest number. So whatever rules are for this topic, after a middle point, a large number is our tens. So 70. Okay, so answer is what here? 70. Then for the B, 91. Okay, so 91 is like the 90, and then after 100. Okay, in between a 95. So 91 is come up before a 95 here. Okay, so 91 is a nearest the tens is a 90. So our answer is a 90. Then after okay, so then after question number C. Question number C is what? 78. Okay, 78. So now we draw on a number line. Number lines are 70 and it's a 80, in between 75. Okay, so that's why 78 is come after the 75. So which number is nearest to the 78? So 80. See now the distance. 72 is how long and how far. Okay, now B. So D is a 34. Okay. So let's check on a number lines. Must be a go here a number lines 30 and 40 40 35 before a 34. Okay, so which number is the nearest to the 34? Which tens is the nearest to 34? 30 or 40? Obviously 30. That's why we are writing around the 30. Okay. Now again question number E. Question number E is 30. 30 now. So now we draw the number lines 10 and a 20 in between a 50. Okay, and 30 is between okay, 10 and 15 in between 30 is coming. That's why which tens is nearest, 10 or 20? 10. Okay, so now answer is 10. F. F is our 150. Okay, so now let's see a check on a number lines 150. How to write a 150 on a number lines? So which tens is come here first? 110 and 120. In between which number is come? The midpoint halfway. It's called a halfway. The halfway is 150. So 115 is our question. Okay. So what is the rules of this topic? Our rules is after a midpoint or a tens, we have a right or we have the correct. Okay. This number is the nearest to the 150. That's why we are writing 120. Okay. Now let's check on a further question. Question number G. Question number G is what? 488. Okay. 488. So 480 and 490. In between which digit is come? 450. Okay. Sorry, 485. In between 488. So which tens is nearest to 488? 19. So that's why answer is 490. Then our question number H. Question number H is what? 225. So let's check on a number lines. 220 and 230. In between which number? 250. So what is our rules? Mid वाला point है उससे nearest. Which number is nearest? Tens 230. That's why we are round on 230. Okay. Our answer is 230. Now last two questions. I and J. Question number I, 672. So let's check. You having doubt in your mind because we have 3 digits. So why we are not called hundreds? Because of only we are checking the 2 digits, 1 and tens. No need checking here tens. That's why we are instruction is the only nearest the tens. Okay. So 617 and 618. In between which number? 675. 675 before comes 672. So that's why which number is the nearest to the 72? 6. 672. Okay, then last question J. Last question is J. Question number J 990. So 910 and 920, in between 950, and then after 990. So 990 after 920 is come. That's why a nearest number, which is the nearest number, 920. That's why we call the 920 is our round the nearest our questions. Okay, and then I am give you a homework. Today's your homework, exercise number first D. Exercise number first B. 3 times write in your rough book. Today's your homework is exercise number first B. 3 times write in your rough book. Okay, I hope you are understood betterly. Okay, thank you so much all of you.
I hope all of you understood betterly today's our lesson. What is our lesson today? What was the lesson of today's? Okay, so today's lesson is first of all, we which chapter? Place value. Topic is a place value. In topic is a place value. Today's topic is where here 3. How many? Today we are learned the 3 topics. First topic in a first question is FB with the tense. It means fill in the blanks with the tense. We have we have learn this question. Okay, so fill in the blanks with the tense. In fill in the blanks with the tense, what we are learn today, in fill in the blanks with the tense, we are write a between, they give a between digit, and we are write the before tense and after a tense. Okay, this is our question number first. Okay, question number 2 is round to the nearest tense. Round to the nearest tense means what? We are draw a number lines, and then we write the first tense, and then we write the ending number of a tense. Okay, in between any digits come, so we are round and find the nearest tense. And question number 3. Question number 3 is the same is a question number 3, but here is one more difference for us. Question number 3 is different for which? In question number 2 is a 2 digit, and question number 3 in a 3 digits. That's why a difference between both questions. Okay, and question number 3, round the nearest tense, in we are in number lines, we are write how many numbers, how many digits? 3 digits. That's why question number 3 is a difference. Okay, now let's see today's thought. A mathematics is not about numbers. What? A mathematics is not about numbers only, is not a number. Equations, computations, or algorithms. It's about understanding. Okay, so today's thought is what telling us mathematics is not a number, equation, computation, or algorithm. It's a understanding. Anyhow we can understand the mathematics. Anyhow we can use our brains. Okay, and it's not only number, equation, computation, or algorithm. We understand, because of maths is a understanding or a minding subject. Okay, and this thought is given by William Paul Thurston. I hope you are understood betterly today's my lecture, and I hope you are enjoying my maths lecture. Okay, and and today's your homework I was give you, and you must be you write your homework in your fair book or rough book. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you all of you.